Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will take a look at the Magic Eden NFT platform and learn its most useful features. But before we move on to our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on so not to miss out on any of these amazing opportunities and important news. Now let's just jump right into our video. So Magic Eden is one of the biggest Solana NFT platforms. There are only Solana based NFT projects on Magic Eden. And in order to sell or buy NFTs, you should use Phantom Wallet. And if you don't have a Phantom Wallet, you can check out our tutorial video from the cards and have your Phantom Wallet ready. So under Marketplace tab, we can see the popular collections, new collections, drop calendar, and auctions. So when we click on popular collections, we can see all the popular collections. We can see how many artifacts there are in each collection. For example, the Orcs has 8,888 Orcs from the Genesis, and you can find all the details about any projects just by clicking on. For example, let's click on this. We can see the collection's floor price, total volume, average sale price, unique holders, total supply, and total listed counts. We can also add this to our watch list, and we can reach out to their social media pages, their Twitter pages, their Discord groups, and so on. Under New Collections tab, we can see all the new collections, and under Auctions tab, we can see all the live auctions. So for example, this artifact has a 61.70 Sol bid, and you can place your bid if you want to buy this. You can find different auctions live at any moment under Auctions tab. Under Launchpad, we can see the new projects launchpads. Think this kind of a pre-sale of NFTs. We can see the live ones as of now, the Project Genesis and Wandering Nahavi. These are the live ones as of now. We can see the upcoming projects, Droid Capital, Degen Islands, Suteki, Great Ghosts, and so on. And we can also see the ended launchpads. Now under Creators tab, you can apply for listing, launchpad, and auctions for your project. So if you have a Solana based NFT project, you can use these tabs on Magic Eden to list your project or use the launchpad or auctions. And when we take a look at the Magic Eden's main page, we can see the first one to show up on the main page is Launchpad Drops. The next one is new to NFTs, and you can find helpful tutorials about NFTs. We can see the popular collections. You can change the time gap to 24 hours, 7 days, and 30 days. We can see upcoming launches. Top community upvoted drops. For example, Suteki has 4,000 upvoted drops. Upvote means they liked it, so which means this project has a high hype. We mentioned auctions. We can see the top market cap projects. We can see the OG Sol projects, which means the biggest Sol projects. We can see the most followed collections. The Magic DAO voted, which means the community voted these collections. We can see the featured gaming, featured art and culture collections, highest sales. For example, this one was sold for 449 Sol. And we can also see the new collections, and when we click on just a random one, we can see its floor price, total volume, average sale price, and as I said, all the social medias from this tab. And up here we can see the 24-hour volume, total volume, Solana's current price, and Solana network's transaction per second. And you can also use this bar to search the collections you're interested in. So for example, let's click on it and choose one of the recent ones. So let's choose Trippin' Ape Tribe. You can see it shows all the collections that Trippin' Ape Tribe has. I will choose this one, and we can see different ones. As I said, the floor price, all the statistics about the collection, and when we scroll down, we can see different projects and their rarity based on moon rank and how rare that is. So that pretty much concludes our video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on so not to miss out on any of these amazing opportunities and important news. And if you have any further questions about the Magic Eden or Solana based NFT projects, feel free to ask them in the comments section below. We will answer your questions as fast as possible. And don't also forget to check out our Instagram page. We share very important information, very funny stuff, and motivational reels. I definitely suggest you to check out our Instagram page and other social medias from the links in the description box below. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.